The currency market got stuck ahead of the publication of the US labor market report. The data is likely to boost the US dollar. Notably, the euro has been dropping for a long time already. At the same time, the pound sterling may lose all the positions it recouped yesterday. Optimism concerning the expected report is also supported by the unemployment claims data. The figures significantly exceeded the forecast. That's why most analysts suppose that the unemployment rate report will also be better than expected. However, economists did not revise the forecast and still suppose that the indicator will remain at the same level. If the predictions come true, investors will still focus on the non-farm employment change data. The number of new jobs is expected to advance at least by 45,000. Of course, it's just a small rise, but in the previous months, the number of jobs tumbled by 140,000. Thus, even such an increase is an extremely positive factor. Moreover, the real figures could beat the forecast. This will also lead to a jump in the US dollar. The euro-dollar pair managed to break the support level of 1.20 after a short-lived fluctuation near it. On the trading chart, we can see that the quote made a rebound after a break of the important price level. In this case, the level of 1.20 acts as resistance. To resume the downward trend, the price should fix below 1.1950. The price may start leading to 1.19 and 1.1810. At the same time, some traders believe that the quote may trade around the psychological level of 1.20. This will result in the formation of a sideways channel with a range of 50 pips. Yesterday, the pound-dollar pair showed high activity amid the publication of the Bank of England meeting results. Speculators once again returned the quote to the area near the high of the mid-term trend. They almost ignored the fact that the pound sterling is significantly overbought. According to the trading chart, the quote continues trading within the previous range of 1.3650 and 1.3750, showing low activity. Taking into account the overbought conditions, the correction is quite possible. However, the pair will start the correctional movement only if it fixes below 1.3650 on the 4-hour chart. If the price consolidates above 1.3710, it will continue rising within the mentioned range. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.